We're back with a new video, which is the second episode of Bakugan Battle Brawlers. And so let's get on with this game. And yes, I'm playing on a Wii U. And Wii U's can play Wii games. Okay, come on, load. Okay, so like and subscribe if you enjoy. Let's get on with the episode. Okay. Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Last time on Bakugan Battle Brawlers, I played the tutorial and went and got my new Bakugan from like space. It just like came down on me. Like right after I came out of the shop, a cutscene happened. Ding, 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 ding. Skip this skip. I don't know what that said, but okay. Back to the game. This is Bakugan Battle Brawlers. And so my character Ash Dash last saved yesterday. Playtime 19 minutes, around there. Okay, so story. Let's go back onto my story mode. I didn't do anything while you guys were gone, when I wasn't videoing. Okay.
What should I do? I should head out.
Back. I think it's too loud. Right there. I think that's good. Okay. Right now, I think it would be better if I go to the park, so I can get some Bakugan points.
I'm gonna beat you before Shuji does. Let's battle.
You wanna battle me?
It'll be good to practice. So
Okay.
I might as well take this challenge.
It's some practicing and get some. I'll get some Bakugan points.
Hey, wanna battle? Wanna?
Yeah, one-on-one.
Let's go.
So this guy's on easy. So I think we're gonna win, especially with my new Bakugan and his new cards that came with him. I think we're gonna beat him. So let's get on with it.
We got this.
We got this.
I'll take your challenge.
Okay, this guy is pretty easy. Since the last time I played, I think he's pretty easy. So never start out with the best card. Always have it as your last card you stand on. So make sure that's your last card. So which one out of these is the best? I am going with that one. For me. Okay. Let's aim to. Okay, first I'm gonna put my Leonidas gate card down, so I can actually have an extra card just in case. Oh, so I can have that card be my last one. Okay, let's go with him. Made it. Okay, this is my half strongest one. My mid. Let's view him. Let's see how bad he does. He missed. bam, bam, bam.
What was that?
Just because I'll land on his card. Now I'm waiting and waiting. Now I just have to wait for him to attack. Come on, hit me. I'm waiting. And no, he sucks. Yeah, what was that? So you want me to throw my other Bakugan? Nah, I'll just do a double stand. So this main Bakugan right here I have, that I just launched, is your best Bakugan throughout the whole game. He's the best Bakugan throughout your whole game. So always keep him. Thank you for landing. Ooh, I might lose. Yeah, but it's my card, but he might win, he might not. I don't know. I think since my health is low, he actually has a chance to win, but not likely. See, I'm already past him by 39. I don't need it. Shaking battle. Again, just shake. Yeah, I'm ready. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Passed him by 300 now. 200. I almost got mixed up on my math. It is the weekend. I always forget stuff on the weekend. So now, I'm going to throw my Bakugan right there. And my best one. Since third battle, there's always a cool move. Third battle, or like over 1,000 points. Hey Rob.
Hey,
What's that?
bought myself some lunch. Want some
Awesome.
chicken nuggets? I'm not that hungry.
Sure.
There's chicken nuggets and fries in there.
I'll have some chicken nuggets.
Okay.
I got some chicken nuggets. Chicken
No
nuggets.
dipping sauce unless you want some.
Oh, he spear attacked me. Nah. Do you have barbecue sauce? Okay. There might be. There might be some in the pantry. Okay. So, look, I'm just gonna use all my cards. All my cards. And it's going to upgrade me so much. I'm gonna be like 100 away from being at, 200 away from being at 1,000. Actually like 100. So, shooting battle, I can do this. Dang, dang, dang. $1,179, guys. Woo! Look at that. That's his special attack. Oh, Oh, it's more than just chicken nuggets. I got fries with that.
That's my special.
Nice. Okay. Two of his Bakugan, his weakest and his strongest. And I'm still gaining points from him. See? The ranking points, the current BP, Bakugan points.
Oh well, I guess I knew this would happen.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, I won.
That's the first one, except for the tutorial.
Hey, want a battle?
Nah, I'm good. Okay, now, Bakugan store.
There are new Bakugan in stock. You should take a look.
Awesome.
We've got new cards in stock. You should see if there's anything you want.
Okay.
Hi, how can I help you? Ah, looking for a new Bakugan?
Yeah, Hayos. This is a new one. So 200 power strength. Okay, this one's 7,000. This one's 2,300. I think I'm gonna wait till I have 7,000 to get this. So, and that's a really strong one. Or I could look at Pyrus. And yeah, what I used to do, I'd get the fire, one of the Fire Falconer, and a Hayos one, a Hayos Falconer. Yeah, that's what I used to do. So I'm gonna wait till I have. I'm gonna go back and
See you later.
go back to the park and battle some more. So I'd have enough for it.
Hey,
Yes, I want to battle. And if you just do random, you fight the only one person. So nobody at like Dan, nobody knows of my new Bakugan. It's an amazing Bakugan.
this.
Best Bakugan
I'll take
in
your
this game.
challenge.
Game start.
Okay. Like last time. Wait. This one or yeah, this one. Okay.
Player one's turn.
Okay, card set. I'll set it there. Okay. I'll throw this one.
Bakugan brawl. Bakugan stand.
Made it.
Stand. CD2's turn.
I'll watch. McDonald's fries is good. How could you? How could you snipe me? Or spear attack me? Nice. I'm good. You're really putting an ability card? That's no good. Since you still have to use another ability card, you're just wasting your ability cards. He's just wasting his ability cards. Oh my gosh. Since he knows I will still beat him in a shaking battle.
Ready?
Watch. I'm already past him. Bam!
Yes, I won!
See, I took him out.
Player one's turn. Bakugan, brawl! Bakugan, stand!
On this card.
CU2's turn.
What's View? Is he gonna do good? Is he? Kabareka?
Bakugan, stand!
So, you wanna fight my strongest Bakugan. Okay. Power throw.
Bakugan, brawl!
Bam.
Bakugan, stand!
And now I damaged him 109. That's a lot. See, this is why I said he's your strongest Bakugan.
Big card open.
Nice.
Ability card.
I'm going overpowered.
Ability card activated.
Yeah, I'll start. Shooting battle. I'll still win.
Ready? Battle!
I'm still way past him. See? Whenever you get it past 1,000, they do their special attack.
Yes, I won! CPU2's turn.
CPU 2's turn. Na. No. Is he gonna land it? He didn't land it.
What was that?
Yeah, what was that?
Bakugan, brawl! Bakugan, stand!
Double stand.
Double stand. You won't beat me! That's my skills copy.
Both of his weak ones. That sucks.
I thought I'd lose, and I was right.
Yeah, you were.
That's our skill talking.
Yeah. No.
Hey, want a battle?
Nah.
One-on-one. It's a fast, intense game of Bakugan versus one other player.
I don't think that was very intense. I think it was common how easy that was. Okay, next episode, we're gonna do the tournament arena. We're gonna do the tournament arena, and then after the tournament, we're gonna go to the Bakugan store and get some really good Bakugan. My room. Let's go.
What should I do?
Okay.
I
Save.
should save my progress. I should save my progress.
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, and please subscribe to 3D Beast. Ash out. Remember, it's a dashed up world with a lot of ash.